Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo Reno 10 Pro to an Android device. You need to begin by going into Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both smartphones. Firstly, choose I agree at the top. Then confirm at the bottom. Continue and allow. Now on the other one, I agree. Confirm. Continue. Allow. In this window about new updates, you can select Not Now if you want to. To close it, hit OK. Now click on Close in white pop-up at the top and click on Send at the bottom left corner of Xiaomi Reno 10 Pro. Then Receive right next to Send at the bottom of an Android. Also on an Android, tap on one of those options to decide if you wish to personalize your ad experience. Yes, I agree, or no, thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to Oppo. Now, thanks to all of those categories available at the top, you can pick multiple files that you wish to send and do that by hitting Send next to Selected. I will go with couple of photos. Then tap on Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way you want to use. In order to connect by scanning this QR code, select scanning icon next to input key on an Android. Then allow camera access in the pop-up and point your device's camera at the code. In order to input this key, instead just tap on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers and tap on the Receive button. So when I do that, and click, I can see that all of my photos were successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!